just gonna video blog. People are taking pictures and pictures. I don't know who's doing a video, but I was about to walk out of here without doing a video. I'm glad I charged my camera last night because this is classic. Look at people. I'm not the only weirdo. That snapped from the root. Let me just go to closer. See that? From the root to that. Amazing, isn't it? To the root of the tree. Look at this. New York City. Nobody would ever thought this would happen in New York, but it did. People taking pictures. It's another one right here with the roots out, snapped from the. You would think. One more time. This is the best part compared to over there. This is the best part compared to over there. Yeah, this is the best. I'm just gonna put this on YouTube. This video here, because people. Wow, trying to get closer.
It's more like a domino effect. Once you.
Yeah, someone said it's like a tornado because see the trees. I didn't get a picture of that. Wow. Look at this. Neither of this either. Yeah, which one? Oh, okay, I see. He said this one knocked down this one. Look at that. Can you get any better than that? Look at this one. Let me get close.